in the little shop midweek. As a matter of fact, where are you going? I already got the stereo hooked up. That was the stereo that's been in here since I first got everything hooked up, with a speaker there and a speaker there and a speaker there and a speaker there in all four corners. There's also wiring that goes outside with some little, you can see them right there in the corner. Can you see it? Right there. A switch so I can turn each speaker on and off individually. And this will work out great because, see, this is facing the front. I have a speaker that can hang outside right there and on the front there and in the opposite corner over there outside. So that's nice. Trying to get all this stuff moved around. Me and my wife decided, well, we talked about it, and I'm going to have this side as I always do to be able to put all of the shop stuff. So now I'm trying to move everything over here and move all her stuff back over there, which one of these big air conditioners is actually going to go in that window, or that where the air conditioner used to go, but I'm going to cut it out a little bit bigger to get one of these to fit, because right now that one fits, but with one big one in the window, I won't need two little ones, because that's what I needed midsummer to keep it cool enough in here, was I needed two of those. So we're not going to do two of those. I've got two more air conditioners down there. I think I've got plenty of air conditioners, but the other ones will end up going to permanent storage. So that's what we're doing midweek. What are you doing? What do you got going on?
Hole right there for one of these.
That's what I just said.
Okay, what I'm saying.
Okay. So, that's what we're doing. Hey, does anybody remember this in Arkansas? I still got mine. Oh, I can't get it out from behind there. It's like trapped. But that was Wake the Dead up in, what was it? Searcy, Arkansas. That was in 2012. So that's what we're doing. I'll probably talk to you guys a little bit later, more about what's going on this weekend. It's just going to be raining all to hell. It's raining now. I mean, we literally have a river. Why'd you lock this? Don't want nobody coming in. We got a river going on out here. See that water running? Over there, you can't even walk across behind the camper.
That's why we got these.
So yeah, that's why we got those right there. But everything's a river. It has been raining its butt off, and it's supposed to rain the rest of the week. I was gonna re-level the camper this weekend, but yeah, I can't move nothing. I might just tighten up the support legs a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to moving some of this stuff around, because this is just for midweek. Oh, we had what was it? The ex-wife of the man that owned the house. The ex-wife showed up again with, she calls it her brother, but all of us believe that it's like her boyfriend. He showed up, and she showed up with Gina's mom and Aunt Lynn over there at the house, talking about we needed to get out of the house, and they got an eviction notice coming and all this and that. Well, Mom called 911, because that's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to call 911 and get the police over there immediately. The police showed up, and everything she told them, the police already know it's a lie, because the police have been informed of everything that's going on. The house is in probate, and there's nothing that they can do. They needed to get off the property, and they've been now warned that it's criminal trespass. This is like the second or third time they've been warned not to come over there and get on the property. So one more time, and I believe they should have to go to jail. So we should have the rest of our stuff out. Mom was loading up more stuff yesterday, today, Wednesday, and she's supposed to go back over there tomorrow, Thursday, and get the rest of her stuff out. This weekend I'll be back. I'm coming back late, so I probably won't have a video up till Sunday night, possibly Monday. So don't expect a video until then. And we're going to go over to the house. I think there's a couple things that I want to grab over there. I'm going to try. Sunday, the rain is supposed to stop. So hopefully by the end of Saturday, the rain will stop, and I'll be able to get the Ranger home finally. that's the plan. The plan is to get the Ranger back here, and all I have left in this building is to run a 220 line outside for well, not outside, but I'll put a plug here in the shop, which is the mini shop now, so that I can run a welder. So that's the plan for this weekend. Those are the two things I want to get done. I want to get the Ranger home and parked in its spot out here on the pad, and then go over to the house, get a couple of things over there, and then make sure that there's a 220 line ran in here, which that's not even a problem. That's nothing. I've already got the breaker right there for it, a 30 amp breaker, so that I can run the line down for the welder. So that's the plan for this weekend. Hopefully we can get all that done, and I'd like to get more of this stuff moved around so that we can get more space in here. What are you doing? That's from our wedding. Please put it back. Thank you. I mean, just be careful with it. So if anything else pops up, then I will add that in right after what I'm saying right now. After that, if there's nothing, and maybe there wasn't nothing, or maybe there was, please enjoy the rest of your week. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thumbs up. Give a comment at the bottom. You guys aren't even commenting. You're just watching. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, EarthScraper69, Instagram. What are you doing? And I think that's it. Go to Facebook. What are you doing? You little cheeser. Okay, that's it. Maybe see you in the next video.